Hello there. Let's take a look at the website called WeeklyBucks.com. They claim that you can make 5 to 8 bucks every 2 minutes, and you can even make a few hundred up to $500 weekly. I personally find these claims not to be true. So what does it mean? Is WeeklyBucks.com legit? Let me tell you right away, I don't find this website legit. So I'm gonna show you a few signs about this platform that prove that this is not legit. First of all, it says that WeeklyBucks.com Incorporated is a large-scale marketing company in Bulgaria. Well, did. It was founded in 2021. The question is it really true? Because when we take a look at the registration date of the WeeklyBucks.com, we see that the website was registered in 2023. Let me double check it once again. WeeklyBucks.com registered on 2023, June 2023. So this is an outright lie. Another thing that concerns me a bit is the website itself. As you can see, this is a very simple website, which is fine, but it's not mobile responsive. When we take a look at how the website looks like on a mobile, we see that this is not very mobile responsive. And we can check it by using different tools, websites. As we can see over here, this is not mobile responsive. What is also strange is they claim to have a 3-tier earnings, meaning it's you and then at least 2 levels underneath you. The question is, where are the money coming from? In their FAQ questions, they say that they get paid from their advertisers for the traffic they bring to them. Well, actually, what traffic they're talking about? Because when we take a look at the online presence of this particular website, we will find out that it has very low traffic. This is the organic traffic the WeeklyBucks.com gets, and this shows the traffic the website gets for the last 6 months. Let's say what it was in the last year. We see that the organic traffic is 0. They have a few keywords that rank somewhere at the 5th page of Google. That's no traffic at all. Well, they might have a different sources of traffic other than organic. So let's take a look at the other sources of traffic. WeeklyBucks.com top traffic sources is direct and social. More than 50% of people coming from social. Facebook, so almost 90% of the traffic comes from the Facebook. I expect there's gonna be a huge Facebook group or thousands upon thousands of people that follow this website. Or according to their claim, they apparently have almost 1.5 million members and more than 1 million active members. So there's supposed to be a huge number of followers on Facebook. So let's search for WeeklyBucks on Facebook. Let's say see all. And this is a person who probably shares the link with others, but there are like almost 500 members. This one has 2 members, 400 members, 4 members. So that's only a small number of members that are somehow involved with WeeklyBucks. There's no like millions of people that following the WeeklyBucks. I personally found this claim not misleading, but an outright lie. And let's double check the online presence. Such a website with millions of active members is supposed to have some domain authority, right? The domain authority of weeklybucks.com, the domain authority is a number that goes from 0 to 100. 0 is a domain or website that is just a new one without any backlinks, and websites like Facebook or Google, they have domain authority 100 or close to 100. The weeklybucks.com has 3.4. That's almost nothing. And also Ahrefs confirms the amount of traffic that we have checked using the SEMrush. That is almost nothing. Again, it doesn't match with the total numbers they claim to have. So let's log in, and I did log in to this website. Actually, I signed up, and I was just wondering what's the process. So if you go to here, sign up, you see that you need your username, password, and email. What's strange, I only use very simple password, 4-digit password, and it did let me in. Usually when you sign up for some service or for some platform, you need to make a confirmation by clicking at some link that you get on your email. It's not the case over here. You simply put your username over here, some password, some email. It could be even a fake email, and you can register, and you are right inside of their dashboard, so-called. And what is it that it's inside of the dashboard? Well, task number one. Task number one is copy link and share it with your friends, and you're supposed to get a $5 for unique visitors. Well, this is a BS. Let's say that someone signs up using this link and he can sign up for free. Again, where are the money coming from? Something doesn't add up. And what's even strange, the minimum balance that you are required, or the threshold, is $500. That's a lot of money. This just forces naive people that believe that they can make money with this system. It forces them to spam all their friends and to share the links all over the social media and to get as many people as possible. My suspicion is that these guys are just collecting email addresses, and probably they sell them to the third parties. What is also strange is, according their guide, which is like a few lines of guide, they're not accepting members from India, Pakistan, Iran, China, and Russia. Don't know, have you noticed? Top payout countries are India, Pakistan, and for some reason they don't accept them anymore. That's strange. Actually, I even asked them the question using their email address. I'm just wondering whether they reply to me or not. And let's just take a look at the other people's opinion at the Trustpilot. We see weeklybucks.com, and there are like 22 reviews, and more than 80% of them are pure negative. It says, scam, this guy collected $600, couldn't withdraw it, guy's completely scam. This guy says he's unable to have access to his earnings, yet he gave a 5-star, pure scam. This guy's $800, but apparently only half of them was approved. I'm wondering if he even got the $800. I doubt it. Scam, didn't get any money. Scammer update. Email. Compiling scam is designed to collect email. Use scam artist. Don't waste your time, don't bother. So what does it tell you? Would you like to sign up and supposedly make money with WeeklyBucks? Well, I doubt it. Well, if you have questions about a website, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't agree with my opinion, let me know as well. And just wanted to tell you that this is not the way how to make money online. If you want to make money online, it requires some effort from your side, and also it takes time. First of all, you need to offer some service, you need to gain some audience, and then you can monetize. And there are several ways how you can make money online. Probably one of the easiest one would be the affiliate marketing, but again, you will need to create some content in order to attract some specific audience that is interested in your niche. And there are basically two ways how you can attract the audience. One is to create a website, and the second one is probably the YouTube. In ideal case, you should have both. And if you create enough content within a year, you might be expecting some monetization. If you have questions regarding the make money online stuff, let me know in the comment section below. I might be able to help you. Hopefully you found this short review helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.